Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Data. So today I'm back with something interesting. We all want some good job opportunities along our way, and the only thing that sets us apart other than having great skill sets is a winning resume. So today I will be sharing 5 tips and tricks that will help you create a winning resume. So let's get started. So point number 1. We all know that the resumes, other than being manually scanned, are also being fed into an ATS, which is an applicant tracking system, which helps to filter out the potential resumes. So we should be mindful of that as well while we are creating our resumes. The only thing that we can do is, pull out the job description and identify the relevant keywords and, put in those keywords into our resume if they are not there. By this way, we'll ensure that our resume is a potential match. And these days, there are various sites like Job Scanner or maybe Skill Syncer that will help you compare your CV or your resume with the job description and then identify the potential mismatches. So that's point number 1, which is, one resume will never fit each and every job description. So that should be customizable.
Point number 2, always keep your resumes short. The lengthy resumes, they score negatively over the shorter ones. So always try to limit your resumes to 1 or 2 pages. So I know that this is quite a task for someone who is experienced or maybe someone who has done lots and lots of projects. So all you can do is you can put in only the relevant projects or the projects that are relevant to the job description in your resume, and then maybe you can describe rest of the projects later on while you're being interviewed. By this way, you can limit your resumes to 1 or 2 pages, and you can increase your chances of the potential projects being highlighted. So that's point number 2. So try to limit your resumes to 1 or 2 pages. Point number 3 is templates. Always choose a template that is simple and easy to read. Do not go for fancy templates. There are various kinds of templates available. For example, the single column templates, which are often described to be a great fit for ATS, and a double column template, or maybe a condensed format template, which is a great fit for someone who is experienced and has lots of projects. So always choose your templates wisely, and there are various kinds of websites available that will help you choose a nice template for your resume. For example, Indeed.com and so on. There are various kinds of websites available for that matter. Point number 4, projects and publications. This is the most important section of all the sections that I have discussed so far. Always start your projects in a reverse chronological order, meaning start with the recent projects first and then rest of the relevant projects. And always try to increase your presence. Even if you are a fresher or you are an experienced person, this section will help you stand out from the rest of the others. Try to link your GitHub profile if you've not done so, or if you don't have a GitHub profile, start more on that. Include your code work to the GitHub profile so that the potential recruiters can see more of your work. And start blogging if you've not done so. Maybe all I'm trying to say is increase your presence so that the potential recruiters can see more of your coursework or more of your work that you've done. Point number 5. Communicate effectively. By communicating effectively, I mean whatever you are writing in your resume or whatever you are communicating through your resume to the recruiters should be simple and it should be error-free. So there are various kinds of editors available for that matter. For example, the Hemingway editor, which is my personal favorite. These kinds of editors, they'll help you grade your write-up and then identify the potential complex words or the words that should not be there. So you can use these kinds of editors for the sake of simplicity. And always focus on impact. Stating a simple word, for example, developed a code or developed these many algorithms, will not create much impact. For example, if you can say it in this manner, developed a code or developed an algorithm which helps in promoting sales growth to so much percent, or I led a team of 10 members across different countries, which span across different countries. So these kinds of statements will help create an impact. So always focus on the impact rather than the length. And so that was all about, these were the 5 points that I wanted to discuss with you. Other than that, you can also participate in Kaggle competitions to increase your presence. You can create a Kaggle kernel. The Kaggle will never guarantee you a job, but then it will help you get more and more hands-on. So I hope that you like this video, and feel free to drop a comment in case you want me to talk on some other topic related to data science or in any other topic. So feel free to drop a comment. Do like, share and subscribe.